Welcome to today's video where we explore one of the most powerful TV streaming apps available right now called Spectrum TV. This app lets you take your TV experience wherever you go and stream your favorite shows and channels on your mobile device. With Spectrum TV you can watch live television and access thousands of on-demand shows and movies from virtually anywhere as long as you have an internet connection. Whether you're at home or on the move, your phone or tablet becomes your personal television. One of the standout features of this app is the ability to turn any screen into a TV. You can stream live TV, catch up on episodes you may have missed, and even browse a massive library of movies. The app also supports casting from your mobile device to a larger screen using Chromecast, making it easy to watch on the big screen with friends or family. Finding what you want to watch is simple. You can customize your own guide by selecting favorite channels, and the powerful search tool lets you find content by title, network, actor, or even sports team. Plus, you can add shows and movies to your watch list so you never forget what you want to watch next. If you have a Spectrum TV subscription and compatible home equipment, the app goes even further by allowing you to control your TV and DVR right from your device. You can change channels, schedule recordings, manage DVR content, and play recordings directly through the app, giving you full control over your TV experience. Parents will appreciate the built-in parental controls which let you set up a pin to block content by channel or rating, helping keep TV viewing family-friendly across all devices. To use the Spectrum TV app you'll need a Spectrum TV subscription along with a username and password. Some programming may require that you're connected to your home Wi-Fi, depending on your package and the content you're trying to watch. Overall, Spectrum TV brings the power of live television, on-demand content, and flexible streaming into the palm of your hand, giving you a modern way to enjoy entertainment on your schedule. If you're looking to cut the cord or just make your TV experience more mobile, this app is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe for more app reviews and tech insights.